Today we have another Motorola device called Edge 50 Fusion after introducing the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Motorola adds new mid-range members to its Edge lineup. Also, if you haven't watched our previous Motorola 50 Edge Ultra review video, you must check it out. The link is in the description and iCard. Starting with the design, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion sports a sleek and elegant modern look. It features design elements like curved edges and color options. The build quality feels robust, offering a premium feel in hand. The back is made of silicone polymer, eco-leather, with a plastic frame. Each of the three distinct colors, forest blue, hot pink and marshmallow blue, comes with its own material and finish for the back. Also, it comes with IP68 dust water resistance. The display is pretty impressive. It boasts a large 6.7-inch OLED Full HD Plus display. With a 144 Hz refresh rate in the international variant, the resolution is 1080 by 2400 with 1600 nits providing vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether gaming or streaming videos, this screen delivers an immersive experience. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Also, you get a 32-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera with an under-display fingerprint scanner. Under the hood, the Edge 50 Fusion is powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 with Adreno 710 GPU and paired up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This combination ensures smooth performance, handling everything from everyday tasks to intensive gaming with ease. Apps load quickly and multitasking is a breeze. All this runs on Android 14 with Motorola's in-house customizations on top, now called Hello UI. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion packs a versatile dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main Sony Litia LIT700C f1.9 aperture wide lens and 13 megapixels f2.2 aperture ultra-wide camera. It excels in capturing detailed photos with natural colors, and its low light performance is commendable. Whether it's portraits or landscapes, you can expect crisp and clear results. Also, the video supports 4K at 30 FPS from front and back. Battery life is another strong suit of the Edge 50 Fusion. With its 5000 mAh battery capacity, it easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. Plus, when it's time to recharge, you can charge up with 68 watts turbo fast charger, managing to go from 0 to 33% in 15 minutes. Coming to the price section, the starting price is $377 USD. There are wide range in price according to RAM-ROM specs. Also, you can buy it from the authorized website. To wrap it up, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion impresses on multiple fronts. From its sleek design to powerful performance, excellent cameras, and long-lasting battery life, it's a compelling choice in the mid-range smartphone market. But also on the other side, there are many better options like Realme, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, and Oppo. You can also consider whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who values a reliable device. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social handles for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time, tech aficionados.